Bottleneck, bottleneck, bottleneck. What is bottleneck in computer and why you should know it? Well, if you are going to build a PC, you should know the capacity of every component you are going to fit into computer. Otherwise, you will waste your money and buy useless component which may cost very high. Let us know bottleneck with example. This small thing can save you $100. Two bottles. One is without neck and other one is with neck. Are these containing same quantity of water? Now, if we will reverse the left bottle, it will take more time, whereas right bottle will take very less time. Comparing time taken by bottle with neck. Both the bottle have the capacity to contain the equal quantity of water, but when water required to be taken out, it takes different time. Meaning, if we consider this bottle as components of PC, then we can easily understand what is bottleneck. Pre-built PC has a balanced part and assembled by the expert, so buyer need not to worry because he know the capacity of every component is balanced and there is a less chance of bottleneck of any component. Nowadays there is a trend. Everyone wants a PC as per their requirement, especially the gaming PC. The buyer choose the component. In this case, some of them have good knowledge. If you will assemble any component in the PC which have slower capacity for processing of data, then the higher capacity components start comparing lower rate components to take out its best, which will result in the bottleneck of lower capacity movement. A PC can give output when all the components give balanced output in data processing. I have made this project to show about lacking of process of one part results delay in whole project. This is the one whole pack of small 6 empty containers where company has to fill each container completely. Here, A, the right side project process is balanced where all container fills in the same time, but in the middle D container fills at the last because of the slow process of flow of color quantity in the line, and the left container D and F fill slow comparing to the other container, where container F fills at the end. This pack or items cannot be moved until all empty container fill completely and whole supply chain will delayed because of slow process of D and F. Same way in the data process in PC. Suppose 10 kilobyte data required to process for making an image. Suppose every component is capable to produce required data in 1 nanoseconds, but PC has very lower capacity of store system. That is hard disk drive. So because of slow process of get data from lower rate, HDD completing of that image will be delayed. In this case, every component will have to wait till old HDD provide this 10 KB data. Same way, if you have purchased low output graphic card like GT710 or equivalent and pairing it with AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, then this is wasting of money and process will be delayed. Suppose you are assembling all higher cap component and you are using 240 watt PSU or supply power, so it will not be fruitful. It will be 100% bottleneck performance. Apart from this, it may cause a fire which can lead to burn whole PC due to bottleneck. Performance of low rate SMPs, whereas power supply unit required to be higher capacity. So always assemble balanced part for PC. Do not feel hesitation to take advice of true expert. In this case, what you should do homework for yourself, or you can also subscribe this channel for all such kind of right information. For today, that is all. Bye. To see you.